break this record high, but no relief is on the way today. It will definitely feel as warm as 100 throughout the afternoon. Strong southwest wind will be kicking in, giving us a little relief, kind of stirring things up, but also heating us up. A strong to severe thunderstorm will be pushing through after 8 p.m. Right now, you're waking up to sunshine, dry conditions, 78 degrees. 80 is what it feels like. Notice the dew point. Now, it's still in the sticky 60s, close to 70, which is really high, and that tends to make it feel warmer. It's not quite as bad as yesterday at this time. The winds are out of the south at around 16. 81 in Carroll, that's the current temperature. 80 in Oskaloosa. With the high dew points, it does feel a few degrees warmer, and that will be the case throughout the day today. So here's a look at the expected heat indices. By about 4 or 5 o'clock, this is typically our warmest part of the day. You can see a lot of triple digits, but we do have a cold front sitting in northwest Iowa that will gradually be pushing through. This will trigger some showers and thunderstorms and bring parts of the state some relief. But up until 7 p.m., this heat advisory is in effect because the high heat, high humidity can take a toll and lead to heat illness. Now, expected highs today look similar to yesterday. The only difference is all the really hot air to the west is slowly pushing to the east. So we're spreading the wealth across the state. Now, I do want to show you a difference in the highs tomorrow. Upper 70s in northwest Iowa, mid 90s in the southeast corner of the state, and that's due to the position of that front. Now, throughout the afternoon hours, it will still be windy with those winds 30 to even 40 miles per hour, but the winds will die back down once the showers and thunderstorms start to fire up tonight. We did have some thunderstorms move across far northwest Iowa earlier this morning. These are now sitting in southern Minnesota. And this is where the front is located that will be stalling out across the state. All the areas shaded in yellow, Algona, Fort Dodge, Ames, down to right around the Creston community, and Des Moines is included in this. We do have the ingredients for strong to severe thunderstorms. Really think some of these storms could come through with some heavy rainfall, some large hail, and even damaging winds. Tomorrow, the focus will move further to the east, and northeast Iowa has a greater chance of seeing some severe storms. At 3, 4 o'clock this afternoon, if you have outdoor plans, just remember it will be toasty today and a bit breezy at times. And then tonight, right around 8, 9 o'clock, once the sun starts to go down, these thunderstorms start to fire up along this front. And that's when we'll see our best shot at rainfall. Scattered showers and thunderstorms will be moving through overnight. We'll get a break tomorrow afternoon. And then some stronger storms will fire up, especially in eastern Iowa now on Wednesday night, closer 9, 10 p.m. And then on Thursday, it will be completely dry and lots of sunshine and less humidity. Here's a breakdown of the expected rainfall totals. And this just gives you a gauge, but it looks like around 1/4 to 1/2 inch by early Thursday morning around the metro area where you see these deeper, darker colors. We do have the potential for an inch or two from some of the stronger storms. No rain today, but a ton of heat and humidity. 96 this afternoon, and again, it will feel close to 100 by the end of the day. And then tonight, temperatures will only fall to 72. Most of the rain will move in after 8 p.m. with some severe storms kicking up, and then scattered storms early and late on Wednesday, a high of 91. On Thursday, sunny, 93. That's when you'll get to enjoy the relief from the high humidity, but the temperature still looks high, well above average for this time of the year. On Friday, sunny, 89. On Saturday, sunny, 90. The heat and humidity returns next week, and it looks even hotter on Father's Day, 95. And on Monday, we could be breaking the triple digits for highs. Today's weather rating did go down another point because the heat and humidity is definitely at a point where with another 24 hours of this, it can lead to heat illness. So it's turning dangerous, and the weather rating went down to a 3. Just be cautious. You know, it's just a reminder, summer isn't officially here just yet. I know it feels like it.